let's learn about distinguishing between debt amounts. If you owe negative $50 and your friend owes negative $30, who has a greater debt? Compare using absolute value and explain. So let's talk about the absolute value of each one of these. This is yours, the absolute value of negative $50. Well, the absolute value of a negative number is the distance from 0, or absolute value of everything is distance from 0. So negative 50 has a distance of a positive 50. Put the dollars there if you want as well. Now your friend owes negative $30. All right, that's dollars right there. And that distance from 0, negative 30, is a positive $30. So if we compare these two, once we take the absolute value of them, $50 and $30, $50 is greater, meaning that you owe more money than your friend because $50 is greater than that $30 here, once we take the absolute value of that. So since $50 is greater than 30 here, you owe more money than your friend. We can also show this with inequality if you want. Absolute value of 50 is greater than absolute value, or $50 is greater than $30, and we got that from the absolute value here, so 50 is greater than 30. I hope you learned something here about distinguishing between debt amounts, and as always, thanks for watching.